If you're a cleaning maniac, you're gonna love this video. Check out an amazing steam cleaner, a touchless car wash machine, the most amazing roof cleaning system, a satisfying laser cleaning, and a spectacular sweeper. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Be the dirtiest and grimiest part of a car. In this video, we'll watch some dirty rims get steam cleaned. The force of the steam and the temperature help the dirt come off the rims. Little by little, you can see a major difference. After a few minutes, we can see the results. It's incredible how we've gone from this image to this one. The wheels now look clean and shiny. Washing a car can be quick and easy with this machine. It's so powerful. It's impossible not to watch this car getting a good clean. This machine thoroughly cleans a car with zero contact or brushing. This means less of a risk of scratching or damage to the surface of the car. The results are incredible. The car shines like the stars. Cleaning the roof of your house is one of the most difficult tasks. Over time, things like dirt and moss growth make this process even more complicated. This machine slides up and down the roof, cleaning it effectively. You can clearly see how the machine leaves a spotless trail in the middle of so much dirt. Only one person is needed to use this machine, and you can even use it to clean large rooftops too. These are the results. We see a drastic change as this roof looks good as new. Laser cleaning is spectacular. It's used to thoroughly clean and restore old objects. Let's check out some examples. The laser cleaning system effortlessly removes paint, coatings, rust, and corrosion. Basically anything you could think of. Without causing damage to the base material, this machine cleans in just a few seconds. It works like magic. This detachable sweeper is perfect for cleaning large floor areas. Powerful hydraulic motor and cylinder work together to drive and maneuver its roller brush. It works like a giant brush as it removes all stones and dirt stuck to the ground. You can see the results instantly. can also clean uneven surfaces. It's impressive to see how well the sweeper works. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, click like, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. You'll love it!